Welcome to English Learning from Scratch, Countries Part 3. Today we learn 6 important countries: Brazil, Mexico, Russia, Egypt, Turkey, and Thailand. These countries have unique official names and titles we pronounce correctly in English. Brazil and Mexico. Brazil is in South America, famous for Carnival and Amazon rainforest. Mexico is in North America, known for ancient pyramids and spicy food. Russia and Egypt. Russia is the largest country in Europe and Asia with famous Red Square. Egypt is in Africa and Middle East, home to ancient pyramids and River Nile. Turkey and Thailand. Turkey connects Europe and Asia with famous Hagia Sophia. Thailand is in Southeast Asia, known for beautiful temples and delicious street food. Brazil official name is Federative Republic of Brazil. Federative means power shared between national government and 26 states plus one federal district. President elected by people leads democratic government. Mexico official name is United Mexican States. United Mexican States has 31 states and one federal district like Mexico City. President elected for 6 years leads federal republic government. Russia official name is Russian Federation. Federation means 85 federal subjects including republics, regions, and cities. President elected for 6 years leads federal government. Egypt official name is Arab Republic of Egypt. Arab Republic means democratic system with president elected by people. Government combines Arab culture with republican political system. Turkey official name is Republic of Türkiye. Türkiye is official Turkish name meaning land of the Turks. Republic means president and parliament govern without monarchy. Thailand official name is Kingdom of Thailand. Kingdom means king is head of state with ceremonial role. Prime Minister leads government in constitutional monarchy system.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.